Before a candidate starts, they should gather as much information about the potential company as they can. Some good sources of information include websites, annual reports, press releases, marketing literature, Facebook, LinkedIn, Plaxo, and other social networking sites to set up informational interviews with people inside the organization. There are two critical tasks to accomplish on the first day on the job. These include meeting the new boss and meeting the new team. The first meeting with the boss should happen in the boss's office and be about an hour long. Key topics to discuss include identifying the team's key objectives, metrics, and important projects, understanding the boss's view of team strengths and weaknesses, working through meeting schedules and communication styles, and sharing plans for the day and the next several weeks. The first 2 weeks should be filled with meetings with many people both inside and outside the team. The key objectives for these meetings are learn as much as possible, develop relationships, determine future allies. Meetings with key team members should provide the new leader with answers to what is the team member working on? What are the team members' objectives? Who are the stars, a level or two down in the organization? What are the people issues on the team? What can the team do better? What advice do team members have for the new leader? And what can the new leader do to help team members? During meetings with peers, the new leader should discuss their peers' objectives, challenges, team structure, etc., their perspectives on what the new leader's team does well and could do better, their perspectives on the new leader's team members, how to best communicate with the boss, and how issues get raised and decisions made on their boss's team. During this time period, the leader is gathering more information, determining the direction, and finalizing the appropriate structure and staffing for the team. Tasks to be performed include gathering benchmarking information, meeting with key external customers and suppliers, meeting with the former team leader. The new leader should have developed a vision of the future. Things to do now include articulate how the team will win, identify the what, why, and how of any needed changes, define a clear set of expectations for team members. The two major events for the third month are to meet with the entire team, meet off-site with direct reports if the team is large. Leadership practitioners can enhance the learning value of experiences by creating opportunities to get feedback, taking a 10% stretch, learning from others, keeping a journal of daily leadership events, having a development plan. Technical competence, knowledge and repertoire of behaviors one can utilize to successfully complete a task. Technical competence is important for a leader for many reasons, including it has been found to be consistently related to managerial promotion rates. Many leaders often spend considerable time training followers. It helps to reduce the level of role ambiguity and conflict in their groups. It helps leaders stimulate followers to think about problems and issues in new ways, which in turn has been found to be strongly related to organizational climate ratings and followers' motivation to succeed. To build an effective relationship, the leader should understand their superior's world, understand their superior's personal and organizational objectives, realize superiors do not have all the answers and have both strengths and weaknesses. Keep them informed about various activities in the work group or new developments or opportunities in the field. Adapt to the superior's style. Clarify expectations about their role on the team, committee, or work group. List major responsibilities and use them to guide discussions with the superior about other ways to accomplish the task and relative priorities of the tasks. Be honest and dependable. To build an effective relationship with the leader's peers, the leader should recognize common interests and goals, understand peers' tasks, problems, and rewards, practice a theory why attitude. Developmental planning is the systematic process of building knowledge and experience or changing behavior. Peterson and Hicks claim that there are 5 interrelated phases to developmental planning. Identifying development needs, analyzing data to identify and prioritize development needs. Prioritized development needs are used to create a focused and achievable development plan. Periodically plan review, reflecting on learning, and modifying or updating the plan as appropriate. Transferring learning to new environments. There are 7 steps to developing a high-impact development plan. Step 1, career and development objectives. Step 2, criteria for success. Step 3, action steps. Step 4, whom to involve and reassess dates. Step 5, stretch assignments. Step 6, resources. And Step 7, reflect with a partner.